In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to research a person or brand. To begin, I'll click into the search bar and type a query about a public figure, asking, what is the educational background of Taylor Swift? Once I hit enter, the AI quickly summarizes her journey from Alvernia Montessori and Wincroft School to her homeschooling completion through Aaron Academy. It also highlights her higher education milestones, specifically her honorary Doctor of Fine Arts degree from New York University. Now, I want to research a major brand, so I'll use the follow-up bar to ask, who founded the Prada and when was it established? The results explain that Mario Prada founded the brand in 1913 as a leather goods shop in Milan's Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. To get a better view of the market, I'll ask a follow-up question about who the competitors of Prada are. The AI identifies top rivals like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel, noting how these brands vie for market share in the high-end apparel and leather goods sectors. Finally, I'll look up another artist by typing, what is Bruno Mars known for? The generated results describe him as a versatile pop and R&B singer known for his retro-inspired sound and energetic stage presence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.